Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English podcast for beginners. I'm your host, Anna.
And I'm Mark.
Today, we'll talk about something really important for English learners. How to talk to anyone with confidence.
Oh, confidence. That's something I want more of. Sometimes, I know what I want to say, but I get nervous.
That's very common, Mark. Many English learners feel the same. But don't worry. Today we'll share easy tips, vocabulary, and practice ideas to help you sound confident.
Nice. So if you sometimes feel shy or quiet, this episode is for you.
Exactly. So, grab your coffee, relax, and let's learn together. Let's start with a question. What is confidence?
I think confidence means not being afraid to talk to people.
That's a great answer. Confidence means believing in yourself, trusting that you can speak, even if your English isn't perfect.
So, I don't need to speak like a native speaker to be confident?
Exactly. Confidence is not about perfect grammar. It's about energy, attitude, and connection.
I like that. So I can smile, speak slowly, and still sound confident.
Perfect. Your body language helps too. Stand tall, make eye contact, and smile. Let's learn how to start talking to someone. At work, at school, or at a party.
Sometimes I just freeze. I don't know what to say first.
Here are some easy openers. Hi, how are you today? Hey, I like your shoes. Is this seat taken? How's your day going?
Those are simple. I can remember them.
Yes. Simplicity is the secret. Let's do a short role play. Role play 1. Meeting someone new. Hi, I'm Anna. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Anna, I'm Mark. Nice to meet you too.
Are you here for the English class?
Yes, I am. It's my first time.
Oh, great. I think you'll enjoy it. That's a natural and confident start. You smiled, introduced yourself, and asked a simple question. Use open questions that start with what, how, why to keep the conversation going.
Sometimes I start a chat, but then silence. I don't know what to say next.
That's okay. The key is to ask follow-up questions and show interest. Let's practice with an example.
I love cooking at home.
Oh, really? What kind of food do you like to cook?
Mostly pasta and rice dishes.
That sounds delicious.
So you keep asking and reacting.
Exactly. You can say things like, "That's interesting. Tell me more. Really? Why do you like it?" Don't worry about grammar. Focus on being curious and friendly. Another way to sound confident is to share something about yourself.
Like my hobbies?
Yes. Try saying, "I really like reading. I'm learning to play guitar. I enjoy spending time outdoors."
And then I can ask, what about you?
Exactly. That makes the conversation natural. Example, "I love swimming on weekends. Helps me relax."
That's cool. I usually play basketball with friends.
Use positive language, words like love, enjoy, like, they make you sound open and friendly. Now, Mark, do you know what active listening is?
Listening carefully, right?
Yes, and also showing that you are listening. You can do this by nodding, smiling, or saying short phrases like, "Yeah, I see. Oh, really? That's great."
That helps the other person feel comfortable.
Yes. It also gives you time to think about your next sentence. Start practice. "I just started a new job last week."
Oh, congratulations. How's it going so far?
It's good, a bit busy, but I'm learning a lot.
That's awesome.
Let's practice confidence in common daily situations. Hi, Mark, do you have a minute?
Sure, what's up?
I just wanted to ask about tomorrow's meeting.
Oh, it's at 10 a.m. in the main room.
At work, be polite but relaxed. Use phrases like, "Do you have a minute?" Or, "Could you help me?"
At school or in class. Hi, can I sit here?
Sure.
Is this your first English class?
Yes. I'm excited but a bit nervous.
Me too. Let's help each other. At school, it's easy to make friends if you show that you're friendly and open.
At a party. "Hey, I don't think we've met before."
Oh, hi, I'm Mark. I'm friends with Tom.
Nice to meet you, Mark. How do you know Tom?
We work together. What about you? Use casual, short sentences, and smile. Online or on video call. Hi, everyone. Can you hear me okay?
Yes, loud and clear.
Great. I'm happy to join today. Speak clearly, look at the camera, and use your name to connect. Hi, I'm Mark from Thailand.
Let's review today's tips for talking to anyone with confidence.
Okay, number 1, start simple.
Number 2, ask follow-up questions.
Number 3, share about yourself.
Number 4, listen actively and show interest.
And number 5, smile and relax.
That's right. Confidence grows with practice. The more you talk, the easier it becomes.
Thank you for listening, everyone.
This was English Podcast for Beginners. Don't forget to subscribe and keep learning with us.